Fancy not securing your freight cars on a hill? They'll come back to spook you and your special funnel.
Woo! And who's to say you're not afraid of ghosts? Snapped Rusty.
Ghosts. Things that go bump in the night? Rubbish.
Well, I'll tell you a story that will make your funnel quiver, Rusty said. A long time ago, a little engine was returning home. It was a misty, moonlit night. Suddenly, the engine lost control and plunged over the side into the swamps below. He was never found again. But many a workman will tell you that when the moon is full, they have seen the little engine trying to get home. But he never reaches the other side. So what do you think of that, Duncan?
Rubbish, replied Duncan.
Never mind him, Peter Sam. He'd be frightened if he really saw a ghost. We have to collect our cars first, his driver replied. He could see their plan was working because Duncan was nervous. When night fell, they set off. The mists were rising around the old iron bridge. Duncan whistled, and the sound echoed everywhere. Then, ahead, he saw flickering lights. His driver knew they were only insects that shine brightly at night, but to Duncan they looked like an engine. Next, his driver secretly threw a rock from the cab into the ravine below.
It's the ghost! Take me back! Take me back, please!
When Duncan reached the safety of his shed, he closed his eyes tightly. Spooked, are you, Duncan? Laughed his driver.
No, I'm asleep.
And Duncan refused to open his eyes. He did, though, when he thought his driver wasn't looking, just to make sure that he was still there.